Welcome back to Who Junction, day 2. I'm here early today to see if I can get more action out here with the Class 66. So, good thing in those. Looks like I've got one out already. Going out for a day. It's come to full stop at the moment, so I'm waiting for something to happen. Right. Okay, we're off. It's coming through. It's just going to come past me today. It's a bit of a bonus. Yes, I see one over the top of the bridge and I missed it. But I think I cracked it with this one. She's coming straight towards me. She comes. I wonder if he's going to toot for us. Sends his horn. Oh, look at this one. This is a wicked picture. This is wicked. Yes, this is all about railway. This is what you want to see in the morning. Got here nice and early, worthwhile. It's made my day, this is. This is a beauty. Good old EWS. DB Shanks on the side. Oh, it's come to a full stop now. Okay, I think it's just lining up. It's going straight down again. Yeah, it's on its way now. It's just linked up with another one up the other end. I think you're fine. No, it's going back down. I think it's on its way now. Here she goes. Alright, 6604 again, same way we see yesterday. Oh, it looks like it's going into sidings at the moment. That is great. A lovely day. Lovely workhorse doing his job. Right, so I've just arrived here. That's the first one I've seen. Timed it right. So I'm hoping to get a few more today. Put a few more up. Like I say, I do model railway. I'm into diesels, that's why my name's Diesel Dave. So to get the Class 66 in action, alive, it's just amazing. It makes it all worthwhile. This is such a great place to come if you want to see some diesels in operation and working for their living. too sure what's going on here at the moment. Don't know if the points are changing or what. It's still operational. The lights are still on, so it's still going to do something. So I'm not too sure. Especially down at Who Junction, all these points are manual. Guys got to come out and push the levers in this shunting yard. Oh, it sounds like there's a high-speed train coming, or Thames Link. It's going to pass us shortly. Here it comes. You can hear it come. Oh, it's a javelin coming down. Look at that. Oh, I've got everything here. Javelin, Thames Link, the works. Sport for choice today. They're all coming down. Nice day out, and they've all arrived on cue. Just wait for the Thames Link to come through, and then we've got a full house. Still waiting down here. 66. Oh, the brakes have come off now. We should be alright. We could have a bit of movement. Engine's going. We've got movement. Is it going forward or backwards? Just revving, get the right speed, and then he's off. Is he going yet? No, he's not still there, still there. Yes, he's going away from me. Oh dear, it's always the same, but there you go. I'm hoping to catch one that's going to come back up again. Right, you got the DB Reg 66 parked on the right here. Trouble with that Hugh Junction, there's quite a few of these 66s, some new, some old, and then you get the rare one that comes in here. So I was catching it right. Like you say, it's such a nice day here, much better, a bit warmer than yesterday, it was a bit colder. So I hope it's like what you see today. I'm hoping to get a little bit more better, but this is day 2. I'm enjoying it, so let's see what happens. You never know what's going to happen today. But there's a few more 66s down the bottom there, so I don't know if they're going to be out working at the moment. Once this one comes off the main line, it goes into the side, we could see something coming up the main line, so watch this space, as they say. There's some red flashing lights like a truck. Oh, I think we've got a Thames Link coming up now. You see from the distance, or is it a southeastern? No, here comes the Thames Link. Right, so we've had the full Monty now. Here it comes. There you go, straight up. Look at that. Nice. Absolutely cracking bit of kit, that one. Yeah. Oh, we've got another Thames Link going down. Oh, we've got a full Monty today. I've had everything this morning. And there's another 66 waiting to come now up. This is what I say, get here for the early bird. You see the lot. Come here late, you miss the lot. So I'm waiting to see what's going to go on here now.